5 BHK flat for rent in Banjara Heights. South facing, 3,300 square feet. Each floor 2 flats. This one north facing, this one south facing. Steps. This is main entrance, south facing, 3,300 square feet. 5 BHK plus servant room. No lightings. This is waiting room or servant room, everything. A small room actually. With attached bathroom. Southeast kitchen, first bedroom and hall, second bedroom with balcony, puja room number 1, main balcony, puja room 2, third bedroom, fourth bedroom and fifth bedroom. This is a hall. Now we are going to kitchen. It's not a small kitchen, it's a medium size or big size kitchen. Now it's available for family or office, anything. Washing area or utility area. This is a hall. Now floor cleaning is okay. So running. This is first bedroom. 3,300 square feet approximation. It is very suitable for big families and with attached bathroom also available. Window view balcony available. And this is a hall, big hall actually. Oh. Sink. This one puja room number 1. Balcony, puja room number 2. And second bedroom. Master bedroom. Fully cupboard works. It's a big size hall, big size room with attached bathroom. With attached balcony also available. Balcony also big one. Big size balcony. This is a view outside view. One of the best location in Banjara Hills, road number 14. This is overall master bedroom. Now you are going to third bedroom. Again we come hall. This is main balcony. Hall come. Yes, fridge. This is main road. I think around 60 feet road. This is third bedroom. Third bedroom. Third bedroom also big size actually. And these are cupboards with attached bathroom also. The attached bathroom. Geysers also available. And with attached balcony. Now we are going to fourth bedroom. This is fourth bedroom. All bedrooms are fully cupboards and with attached bathrooms. That one attached bathroom actually. And finally, fifth bedroom. This is fifth bedroom. No lights. This bedroom also have a full attached bathroom. This is overall 5 BHK independent 5 BHK flat, 3,300 square feet, south facing, Banjara Hills. Thank you for watching.